Day 3 of summiting 12 14ers in 10 days. Today's mountain is Quandary Peak out of Breckenridge, Colorado. I parked for free at the Breckenridge gondola parking ramp and bought a $7 online bus pass. Parking at the trailhead is expensive for me, and I heard parking tickets are over $100. The shuttle was very convenient and the driver was super friendly. The 6-mile hike with 3,300 feet of gain was fairly easy. Summiting at 14,271 feet, you can see the breathtaking panoramic views of mountain tops and lakes below. Quandary gets its name from miners in a quandary over IDing a mineral specimen on its slopes. Up we go. I imagine that's the top, but it's steep for me. Beautiful lake down there. Reservoir. Moon hanging over the mountain. Alright, a little bit of a false summit here. Looks like a nice easy grade to the true summit. Oh, a nice cathedral over there. Well, a little bit of smoke haze. There's the fire over there. You can see the plume. I'm pretty thirsty. Got my water filter. I'm gonna have some of this water. I think Beaver Dam there, but I've had lots of Beaver Dam water before.